Hello everyone, I'm Hamoth and I'm back. And now, we're gonna continue on our journey. Oh god, this isn't good because I don't have any ammo. Not much anyway. Let's see how much I have in my rifle. That's not good. That's not good enough. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go down to Sophia. Sophia? Why did you have to die? Why, Sophia? Oh, I'm coming for you, Sophia. I'm coming. Hopefully you're not so much dead. Maybe you're a little bit alive. Maybe. Please be alive. Hello? Sophia? Sophia? What? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. I'm coming for you, Sophia. Hold on. I just need to go through the park again. Fucking park. I hate this park. I'm just gonna rush through because I don't want any trouble. I don't want any trouble in this park. I just want to get through. I'm gonna go to my ex-girlfriend, wannabe girlfriend, Sophia.
Sophie.
Simon, let me go.
I love you, Sophie.
I have to leave. Please.
I fucking love
Just
you.
let me go, Simon.
Jesus Christ, you got issues, man. Drowned in sorrow. Keycard. I got the keycard. Yeah! Oh, I'm sorry, Sophia. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I had to hit you like this. It's because I love you. Something like that. That's morbid. Okay, let's go home. Let's go home. Oh god, I hate backtracking. I hate backtracking. Oh no. This isn't good. Come on. Okay, I can do this. Fuck you! Okay, here we go. Hopefully there's nothing special behind this. Come on, don't fuck me. Oh no, not this place. Holy crap. Holy shit, fuck you! Okay, just a walk in the park, nothing strange here. Nothing on this on the pavement. It's all fine. All we need to do is go through this door here. And everything will be just fine. Just fine. Here we go. Let's use our little car there. Door is now unlocked, yeah! Oh shit, this isn't good. If it's unlocked, the enemies are unlocked too. Maybe not. Uh-oh, stairs. Yeah, I can see that. Oh, hello, thank you for... Oh, we got 4 clips, that's nice. I do have ammo. Just didn't see it, okay. Elevator getting stuck. Door won't open, that's fine. It just means there's this one way to go. That's fine by me. Fucking pens, look at these. Look like syringes. Oh, this isn't good. Fucking hell. Bitch! Oh, I got stuck there, fuck you! You can't do anything to me. Door's jammed. Door's jammed. Anything on the floor? Anything useful? No. Fuck you! Oh god, here we go. Come on, bitch. Oh, you're gonna close me in close corridors? Well, this is what I tell you. Fuck you, bitch! And, oh no. This isn't good. I have a feeling the chainsaw guy is gonna come running. Oh crap. Oh, bracing myself. Oh. Not a pistol. You fucking bitch! Oh god. Well, that didn't go as planned. Holy shit. Fuck you! Oh, Jesus. You spawned behind me, damn you. Fucking bastard. Ugh, okay. Well, I guess I have some ammo left. Although I wasted lots on him. Oh, don't do it again. Okay. Ooh, that's fine. Oh god. Corridors. Why is there a corridor here? What purpose does it... Uh-oh, loading screen. This isn't good. Who's that growling over there? Like... Oh shit. Oh, hello. Oh, fucking, he's got a gun! What the fuck is that on your head, man? What the fuck? What the hell? Ah, shit, it's been just gone real now. Can't loot his thingy. Oh god, let's take up this thing. Syringe, there we go. Let's save it. Oh god. I guess it's getting real now. Fucking hell. Can I go in here? No, okay. Okay, I got a gun. It's fine. They can't do anything to me. As long as I shoot them in the face. Oh yeah, there we go. Fucking, it's a fucking charger. There you go. Oh shit! Oh crap, oh crap. Jesus Christ. They just come charging down, don't they? Okay. That's fine. Got a syringe, everything's fine. Got more where that came from. I got 4 of them. Nice, 4 syringes. Yeah, I've been stocking up. And stocking down or something. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is a big open area. Could be lots of secrets here. Or just a guy down there. I'll one-shot him with this rifle. Here we go. Oh, come on, why is it shaking so much? There we go. Problem solved. Let's see if there's any loot around there. Probably is. There's probably something down here as well. Oh god. Should I go around there? Oh, they drop ammo, do they? Huh. That's interesting. Maybe those guys over there drop. Oh god. I shouldn't sprint in those staircases. I'm like, I'm an old man and I can't get up. Bastard. Any loot? Any? Oh, I guess not. Well, I got enough. Enough to get me by. Let's see what the result is. Saxon Avenue. Wasn't I supposed to get on Saxon Avenue? Oh fuck. Oh Jesus Christ. They don't let up, do they? There you go. Down you go. Into the winter snow. Even though it's like March or something. Oh no. The subway. Are you serious? Well, I'm not going down there. I'm not going down the subway. Nope. Not happening. Nope. Nope. These trash cans are not Swedish. Maybe they are. Okay, I guess there's nothing on the big street here. Let's read some Swedish sites. That's Arabic or something. Or low resolution Swedish. Okay, I'm gonna go down this thingy, but first I'm gonna go and see if the door over here is open. Maybe we can find some loot down here. Even though I got loads of ammo. Okay. Uh-oh. It's loading. What does that mean? Oh. 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 Maybe I'll go back and check. Oh. Oh, I see. Right, I need a fuse, so I'm guessing where I was is where the fuse is. So let's load that, shall we? Okay. So I need a fuse. Fuck you. Oh god. He's behind me. I can't run. I don't have any stamina left. I don't have any stamina left. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh. 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 Oh god. Are you serious? What is this? Huh. So how do I handle this? Oh god, are you serious? Are you saying I have to open this, then close it behind me? Okay, let's do this. Come on then, bitch. Come on then, bitch. Come on then, bitch. Oh, fuck. god. Okay, I got him now. How the hell do I do this? Those boards are blocking the door. Oh, I can break him! I didn't know that. That's cool. Come on. Here we go. Ah, there we go. I thought I was gonna... Oh god, I thought I was supposed to trap him in here and then go out. Oh god. Hopefully not. Okay. It's fine. Oh no, it's not fine. It's all gone to hell. It's gonna go cut with someone that's gonna come around the corner. Fuck you! There's nothing there. I hate this. I fucking dread this. Bitch! Oh fuck, I knew it! Oh, there we go. Might as well reload. I know I have one bullet left, but, you know. Whatever. You live and you learn. And you shoot them in the face, and you learn even more. Come on. Let's go out and see who's out here. Nothing. The street. Hello? Oh, this is a nice souvenir, eh? I'm safe here. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Why is there a car here? Why did it... Oh god, I said... Oh god, does this lead back? Does this... Oh no, it doesn't lead back, does it? Oh, it's like a jumping puzzle here, I think. Oh no. Ah, great. Holy crap, this is a big jumping puzzle. Is there a save point here? No, that's not a save point. Fuck. Okay. Well, let's go through this tunnel. Fuck, something is gonna appear. Oh, it's just bars here. Any save point? Oh, there's a gun. Oh! What the hell? 3-round burst pistol. Okay, let's... there's no ammo for that one. Ammo for this one. Okay, let's see if we can combine it. Yes, we can. Okay. I guess it's a burst pistol? Oh, fucking hell. I guess I'll need it now. Oh, it's really good. Nice. Oh, hello, baby. Oh, there we go. Oh, they don't die easily, though. Damn it. Just wasted all the fucking bullets for it. Okay. Let's bring back the old reliable gun instead. The VPN, eh? Well, I guess I'll find use for it later. Right now, though, all I need is my handgun. Oh god. First-person jumping puzzle. Come on. Come on. I can't jump when I go down. I have to stand still. This is bullshit. Oh, hello? Oh shit, this isn't... Why is there numbers all over the floor? Oh, come on, this isn't fun. Why do you keep bringing me into apartments that I fucking hate? Oh, more rounds for the VPN, eh? Well, let's use that a bit, okay? Bitch! Bitch! Don't want budge. Oh, I guess it's just... Oh, I guess. Okay, I see what you did there. Are you serious? I have to jump over there. Do I need to jump over here first, or...? Well, I guess it worked. Crossfire! Rifle rounds! Let's reload a rifle while we can. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Oh god. Where am I now? What the hell is going on? Okay. Ooh, that's fine. Just don't need to fuck up now. And I'll be fine. Okay. Crossfire! Na na! Oh, hello. Oh god. Hold on. Let me reload the VPN. Okay, fine. I'm not gonna die now. There we go. Okay, I need the syringe now. I need to heal myself. Nom 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 nom. Then I need to jump over. Which is gonna be a bit finicky. There we go. Please, come on, be a save point here. I think that's a save point. Door won't budge. Huh. So I jump out here? I guess that's fine. That's all fine and dandy. I need a save point. Oh god. No. I'm going back in there. Holy shit. Is this where the chainsaw guy was? What's the apothecary there? Huh. Do I need to go to the apothecary? Maybe. Oh, save point. Thank fucking Christ. There we go. Oh, thank you for watching. I've been Hamoth, and you've been watching Cry of Fear, which I will continue when we go into the Akademi Bokhandel, or Apoteket, or Fars. Oh, back I used at Odenplan. Oh, we're in Odenplan. Okay. Odenplan. See you later, folks.